दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। यहाँ उपस्थित समस्त मेरे सम्मानित अध्यापक, मेरे प्रिय साथी और समस्त श्रोतागण, जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, आज हम अपने भारत देश का 75वां स्वाधीनता दिवस मना रहे हैं। सबसे पहले मैं प्रतीक्षा मिश्रा, कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा, आज आप सभी को आज के इस स्वर्णिम दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। भारत देश, हमारा भारत देश 15 अगस्त 1947 में आज़ाद हुआ। भारत देश ने 1857 से लेकर 1947 तक ना जाने कितने ही संग्राम लड़े और उसके बाद ब्रिटिश शासन से अपने आप को आज़ाद करवाया है। लेकिन हम हर साल इस त्यौहार को बहुत ही हर्षोल्लास उमंग के साथ मनाते हैं। लेकिन अभी यह साल और इससे पिछले वाले साल में हम पहले की तरह सबसे घुल मिलकर, सबसे हाथ मिलाकर, गले लगकर यह दिवस मना नहीं पा रहे हैं। और इसकी वजह, जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं, अभी फैली यह कोरोना महामारी।
सुजला सुफला सुंदर बनानी घेरा, मो देश भारत सुजला सुफला सुंदर बनानी घेरा, मो देश भारत सुजला सुफला सुंदर बनानी घेरा, जनमिए देशे गांधी गोपबंधु, जनमिए देशे गांधी गोपबंधु, रखिले जातिर धारा, रखिले जातिर धारा, मो देश भारत सुजला सुफला सुंदर बनानी घेरा, अंगने सृजिछि पवित्र गंगा, ज्ञानी विज्ञानी रवीरा।
Morning all of you. Happy Independence Day. Respected principal sir, respected teacher, and the students, those who will be watching the video of my speech. Happy Independence Day to all. Today on 16 August, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, and we are proud to say that we earned independence 74 years before, which was by an act passed by the British Parliament. India is the first country to make its independence. At the midnight of August 14, 1927, Jawaharlal Nehru rose our nation and made his speech at New Delhi. At the same time, we
everyone, my name is Anvesha Patro of Standard 8. Today I am going to sing a song on the occasion of Independence Day. आमे हिंदू आमे मुसलमान आमे भारतीय भाग्यवान आमे हिंदू आमे मुसलमान आमे भारतीय भाग्यवान आमे हिंदू भारत आमर जन्म माटी भारत आमर जीवन साथी कबर आमर हिंदुस्तान आमे हिंदू आमे मुसलमान आमे भारतीय भाग्यवान आमे हिंदू मंदिर जेऊ माटीरे गढ़ा मस्जिद से ही माटीरे छेड़ा हो मंदिर जेऊ माटीरे गढ़ा मस्जिद से ही माटीरे छेड़ा गिरिजा भितरे गुरुद्वारा धरी अचंती सबुठी भगवान.
Good morning all, Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day to all of you today. Respected Sir, as we all know, today is our most beloved Independence Day of our independent India. Today, everyone from one part of our country to another is chanting slogans of Jai Bharat Mata with great spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and the love for India. But we all know that this freedom is hard earned. There are decades of sacrifices and struggles behind all of that. The land on which we breathe upon is thanks to the struggles and sacrifices made by our forefathers and ancestors. Respected Sir, freedom is a gift. It is gifted to us by our ancestors and forefathers, a gift of their sacrifices, sleepless nights, brutal tortures and struggles faced by them. They also faced inhuman pain and behavior by the Britishers for the sake of the freedom of this holy nation. History of India tells us about the struggles faced by them. Our forefathers had endured great pain to bring us to this stage at that we are independent, we can enjoy all the time in our school and at home.
Esteemed Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear co-friends, today I am going to deliver my speech about the most important and memorable day in the history of India, the Independence Day. Our country was under the British rule for more than 2 centuries. During the British regime, India was leading a miserable life. They had no freedom of speech and no freedom of movement. At the stroke of the India got independence on 15th August 1947. At the stroke of the 12 in the midnight of 14th August, Jawaharlal Nehru made a historical speech on the floor of the Constituent Assembly declaring that India had become independent. This letter was a red letter in the history of India. It was a long and hard struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men laid their life for our beloved motherland. The struggle for independence was such a moving force that united all the people belonging to different castes, classes and belief into a single nation. August 15 is celebrated as Independence Day in our country every year. On our first Independence Day, Pandit Nehru, our first Prime Minister, hosted the national flag at the tricolor at the Red Fort. When the whole world slept, India awoke a great nation, promising peace, prosperity, equality.
respected Chairman Sir in absentia, dear senior faculty members, and my children, those who will be watching us through online. So at the very outset, I extend warm greetings from the Regional Directorate, DAV Institutions, Odisha Zone 1, to all the teachers, to all the members of the LLC, to students and parents. Dear friends, this is the 75th Independence Day celebration. It has got a long story already. Many of your friends have spoken about it. Your teachers have well explained the importance of the day. But we should not forget that independence doesn't mean to do what I think. Generally, the word independence has already been taken, many times has been taken as a mere right to do wrong things as per our desire. Independence is a religion for me, where I should see that I should do good to my religion. I never do anything wrong for my religion. Once you associate this day with your religion, your ethics, your values, your moralities will restrict you from doing bad things. On this Independence Day, we should not forget the sacrifice of our forefathers, and one such forefather name has been used in the name of the school, Sri Pandit Sri Sridhar Rao. Generally, many of you might not be aware of it. He was a freedom fighter, but at some forums, you see, when a leader leads, the leaders in his come to the picture, whereas the people those who follow, they are left back. But here, something so smart happened. The name whose we have taken for naming this school, Pandit Sridhar Rao, was also arrested by Britishers for hijacking the British flag from Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, and in the year 1942 he was imprisoned at Karampur jail for a period of 2.5 or 3 years. So he has also brought some contribution towards this independence, and we in the Vedic culture, we believe that what we have been given by our forefathers is the best, and we should culture to do the same, giving the best to the nation by preparing the best citizens for the nation, for the posterity. Thank you, Aneka.
Hearty congratulations to the 75th Independence Day, and I would like to thank first of all God that was given us the privilege to breathe in this independent air and environment. Then I would like to extend my vote of thanks to all my colleagues, those who have worked hard to make this day successful. Then I would like to extend my vote of thanks to our principal sir, who have been always a backbone to us, always an inspiration and work dedicatedly to this institution. And to our non-teaching staff, I extend my gratitude that who have worked hard, and right from beginning they were here. And none other than our Bahadur sir. I would like to request in the morning, hard morning, in the early morning he has come and completed all his duties with all dedication. And last, again, I thanks to everybody, those who were present